If you're telling yourself, I want more time with my family, I want to take better care of my health, I want to write a book, I want to take up music lessons, I want to grow spiritually. If you're telling yourself one or more of those, then I want you to hear this today. The only thing that is stopping you from getting what you want is you. You have the power to change your future, to recreate the future the way you want it to be. The only thing limiting you from pursuing a fulfilling career, having deeper relationships, getting into better shape, or pursuing your passions is you. Your life is your responsibility. Remember, if it is meant to be, it's up to me. You can blame your spouse, you can blame the economy, you can blame COVID, or you can complain about the boss, your mother in law, or the president of the country. But at the end of the day, the blaming and the complaining will not change the results. The blaming and complaining will keep you in a stronghold where you feel you're not in control of your life. At the end of the day, it is for you to take charge of your life and take action towards the goals that you are seeking. At the end of the day, if you want to see different results, you have to reclaim your life and change your game and take action towards your goals. Jim Rohn said, if you don't change what you're doing today, all your tomorrows will look like yesterday. How can you change your today? It's never too late to take the power back, to reclaim your life and change your life and take an action, however small it is, to live your best version, to maximize your potential, to be the best you. Take an action today. It all starts with you.